Welcome to our Hanok stay experience in South Korea. From its beautiful architecture to its peaceful environment, you'll see why staying in Hanok is a must-do here. A Hanok is an ancient Korean house that's made entirely from wood and boasts a unique architectural design. With its stunning curved roof tiles and elegant interior designers, Hanok houses provide a glimpse into the rich history and culture of Korea. It's our last night in Seoul, in Korea, so we're very excited to be staying in a traditional Korean house called a Hanok in the Boncheon traditional village. I believe I'll put the correct name if I'm wrong here. And so I'm going to give you a little bit of a room tour. Let's start with the doors. There's 3 doors to our little Hanok, and we're in number 1. Door number 1 opens to this. And door number 2 is like a mesh, like a screen door. This one. And then door number 3 is your regular door. You put this down. The floors are heated, so this is a thermostat to control the heat of the floors, which is very smart. And he said that it may be a little chillier at night, so we may want to heat the floors at night. And this is literally where we'll sleep. So we have bed number 1 with looks like a pretty thick futon, and then 1, 2, 3 pillows. I love pillows, so 3 pillows. Oh, wait, 4 pillows each. And I think this is where we can hang out. And you can sit, have some tea, some ginseng tea, chill. The details in here are gorgeous. Like, you look at all this wood up here. It's very pretty.
Alright, so this is the bathroom. Got a sink, of course. And we've got some towels here and water, soap. We also have some oils that'll come into play later. And we have the tub area over here, like our little spa that's exposed to the elements, if you were. We're supposed to use it every other hour, so and for us it's every odd hour, just to not waste hot water. For example, like 3, 5, 7, 9, those are the times we're supposed to be using. And then we have the shower area. There's a sauna built in that we can control here. And of course we have a very nice kind of brass looking shower set up here. And some soaps. If you want aromatherapy for the sauna, you can put them in here. And then you have the toilet. And some towels. If you were taking a bath, I guess you could bring this chair out and put it over there, and then put it over your head and fill it with water. But there's 2 little stands here that you could just pull out. This is pretty nice. This is what I imagine more like a ryokan. I think there's a lot of crossover between ryokans and this, because what I was imagining when I was doing research for Japan is the courtyard with a little garden and then a bunch of little rooms off to the side, and this is what that is. So I think there's some crossover. If you want to see a Japan ryokan video, it's in the description.
A Hanok house typically features a central courtyard known as a mandang, which serves as a gathering place for residents and guests. The courtyard is a crucial element of the Hanok design, providing natural light and ventilation to the surrounding rooms. Hanok houses are designed with the natural environment in mind, with the use of natural materials and traditional heating and cooling systems that are in tune with the local climate. This allows for a comfortable and sustainable way of living. Sleeping on traditional futons have been a part of Korean culture for centuries and is still commonly used in many households. In fact, the use of futons and the construction of Hanoks can be traced back to the Joseon dynasty, which lasted from the late 14th century to the late 19th century. During this time, sleeping on the floor was seen as a way to stay close to the earth and maintain a strong connection with nature. We had a nice, relaxing bath, shower and bath. Now it's after midnight and we are tired. Can you see Sean? There he goes. Good night.
Good night.
Let's see how these futons do us. As we woke up in our Hanok, we were excited to try a traditional South Korean breakfast. Our Airbnb host served us a delicious spread of rice, soup, grilled fish, and a variety of side dishes, all bursting with flavor. It was surprisingly filling and a great way to end our stay at this Hanok.